How long have you been in the Philippines? Have you ever noticed how many times we Filipinos eat? Hi, I'm Christine, and I've been teaching the Filipino language to foreigners for more than 10 years now. Welcome to my channel, Learn to Speak Filipino for Tourists and Expats. So, let's count how many times we Filipinos eat by identifying first the terms that we call our meals. Okay, so in the morning, we have almusal. Okay? So we say almusal. Almusal is breakfast. Okay? In some parts of the Philippines, okay, especially in the provinces where Tagalog is the language, they call almusal agahan. Agahan, from the word aga. Remember, magandang umaga. Okay, so good morning. So aga means early. So the meal for early in the day or earlier in the day is called agahan. So to a certain extent, the usage is provincial. So ordinarily, we say almusal for breakfast. Okay? Moving on, we Filipinos take a break at around 10 a.m. Okay? So others call that coffee break or tea break. Okay? So we call that merienda. Okay? Again, like almusal, merienda also came from the Spanish language. Okay? So, merienda. So, it's spelled as pronounced in Filipino, merienda. So, you can say, we can call it AM snack. Okay? Take note, merienda sa umaga, AM snack. So, merienda means snack. Okay? So, that's around 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay? And then, 12 o'clock. Okay? Noon, 12 o'clock or noon, we call tanghali. Okay, so that the sun time or the time of day that is 12 o'clock or noon time is called tanghali. Okay, so lunch in Filipino is called tanghalian. Okay, let me say that again. Tanghalian. Okay, lunch is tanghalian. Okay, there are other radio programs or TV shows, okay, or noontime shows, okay, that use magandang tanghali for greeting. So literally that means, or yeah, it means good noon. Okay, so tanghalian is lunch because tanghali is noon. Now comes about 3 o'clock or 3:15 or 3:30, okay, p.m. So, another merienda. Okay? Merienda sa hapon. Snack in the afternoon. Hapon is afternoon. So, 3 o'clock, 3:15, we have merienda. Okay? Merienda again. So, could be coffee, right, with bread, or any other, maybe just to drink, kape lang, coffee only, or maybe soda, okay, or maybe tea. So, the break in the afternoon for merienda, okay, is called PM snack or merienda sa hapon. All right, so the sun has set. Okay, it's already time for dinner. So, we call dinner about 7, okay, in the evening. We call it hapunan. Okay? Yes, it came from the word hapon. So, after the afternoon, when the afternoon is done, okay, hapon is afternoon, then it becomes dinner. So, but we do not call it gabihan. We call it hapunan. Okay, so are you counting? Okay, how many times so far? Okay, I give you one last one. Okay, and the last one. So after dinner, Okay, after dinner, pagkatapos ng hapunan, after dinner, dinner is hapunan, we Filipinos would still like to eat before we sleep. Okay? Though it is not midnight, maybe if we do not pull an overnighter, all right? If it's not yet midnight, okay, we call it midnight snack. But it's nearing midnight, anytime before you sleep. So we say midnight snack or merienda sa gabi. Okay. So have you been counting how many meriendas so far? Okay, so we have uh, one, we have almusal, and then merienda sa umaga, and then tanghalian, and then merienda sa hapon, hapunan, and then merienda sa gabi before sleeping. So, oh yes, we do eat 6 times a day. Okay, so if we're asleep already after dinner, then we don't reach the midnight snack, so to speak. Then we have maybe 5. So how many times do we Filipinos eat? 5 to 6 times a day. 5 beses, 5 times. 6 na beses, 6 times. Okay, within the day. Now, if you haven't noticed that yet, I'm sure what you noticed was that we watch the clock by the number of times we eat. So our nation's pastime is really eating. So if you like to practice your Filipino by understanding the vocabulary on the way we call the terms we call for meal times, then you can go back to the video and then go through almusal, merienda, tanghalian, and hapunan. On that note, happy eating. Thank you for watching.